Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a very special video for you guys. I'm going to be going elk hunting and I'm going to be helping Rob from LunkersTv try and smoke a bull. It's early September. We got some bulls starting to bugle, trying to gather with cows. The younger bulls are coming into calls right now before the bigger bulls are, but that's going to change any day now once them bulls start to kick up. So hopefully we can fill out his tag. I'm meeting Rob tonight around 8 o'clock. And then we'll head to the camp area, get set up, and we will hit it early tomorrow morning. This is Sika, the new puppy dog. You gonna miss me, Sika? You gonna miss me? I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. We'll see you later, okay? Good morning. Ready to smoke something?
Oh yeah.
What's up, man? Ready to get a bull?
Yeah, if I can get a bull, it'd be pretty awesome. Why did I grab this? This is meet him?
I don't believe so. Okay.
His name's Devin Fulton. He's a sniper in the army as well. Hi, gentlemen.
Robert.
Nice to meet you, Robert.
Nice to meet you.
His name's Robert.
That's Andy. You sure your broadheads?
I'll test them, right?
I think my group is fine, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I will say, oh man.
What broadheads are those?
G2, forget which ones. 125 grams, all I remember.
Sweet.
Oh, start with an S.
Oh, shit.
I don't know. Do you remember? Do you know what I'm talking about or not?
I know the brand. I don't know any of their broadheads.
Start with an S. I don't remember. He keeps going up under his leg. Oh, I had it.
I got it! Little natural spring brown trout. So cool. Take a picture for me?
Yeah, of course. No, that's not gonna work right there.
What route are you thinking?
Let's see, here, here. We only have to cross one draw.
There's one draw and then a finger.
There's one. We got a decent chance of seeing something right through there, though. Coming down like that. So all we gotta do is get to around here, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, the blue's where we're at.
Yeah. I'm talking about this draw that comes
And so
all
that
the way out.
elk marker, I'm assuming, is where
That's where
we
that's-
just seen all the trail.
Yeah, it's a trail. Probably like this, route and then down. It's really not that far.
You could even walk,
It's 2
if you really
miles.
wanted to, you could even
Just
walk
walk.
one of them fingers down and then get down into this draw and walk all the way up.
Oh, you're crazy. Just walk straight the fuck across.
And by the draw, I mean this one that we're on right here.
Maybe it goes all the way around.
Yeah, we could walk straight down here if you wanted to and get in that draw.
You can just do that right there.
I think
If we wanted
that
to stay on this ridge line, we can
Yeah,
just
that's it
literally
right there.
just go like this.
I'd honestly rather stay in the bottom.
If we just did that. You want to stay down in there, you said?
Yeah.
Because they're going to be coming up in the morning, right? So,
They'll be heading up in the mornings, yeah.
I mean, that'd be a hike every day. Be
What is it? What's this line say?
283.
0.93 to that ridge, and that's where the bottom to the draw is, right?
Yeah. Well, no, it's 2.7 miles, or excuse me, 1.7 miles.
Honestly, that's not bad walking though from the camp.
And pitch black. Pitch black's a different story, but yeah, no, it ain't too bad.
You got a headlamp?
So if we're looking at 1.7 miles, we could probably do that in 30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45, I'd say.
Tomorrow's walk's at 1.7 miles to the draw. So it's about 30, 45 minutes at night.
Yeah. I'll let you pick it up.
It's all broken too.
Probably 3 years. Would you shoot him? I'll sell it to you. Hold up. He's going down. What do you think of that, man?
Dude. Over the last 4 days, we have walked at least, what do you think, 30 to 40 miles?
Every bit of it.
Every bit of it. Looking for signs. Oh my God. I just want to hug you right now. This is so much fun. That's good.
Lung. Lung. You did? Hey, remember when I told you he shook his leg?
Yeah.
You did hit his leg.
Oh, I hit him in the leg?
Yep.
That's probably when I was trying to, I held off.
Lunker's first bull.
First bull.
I'm glad I was able to be a part of it.
Yeah, thank you so much. But I was seeing this forgetting here a second ago. He's a believer and we both were praying. Hell, when I just ran from all the way over there. I was like, please, let me see this thing. We took on a dead off. Oh, I can't even breathe. We took off on a dead sprint. All right. I'm going to trade you. Here you go. Super Jets.
Hang on, let's stop these. That's an awesome one.
Would you count that as a pretty decent shot? Long shot?
Let me see it again real quick. You're a little high and right, but it still caught lung. You probably caught a little bit of the liver maybe. Man, that is awesome.
I'm so excited right now. You have no idea. The funny thing is I left all my bag when we took off running. I don't have a knife. I don't have anything with me.
Well, here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go get Devin.
Yeah.
And we'll come back, we'll start cleaning him.
Packing them out.
And we're gonna have to pack this sucker out. But while I'm starting to cape, I'm gonna have you look on Onyx, find us the easiest route to take him.
Yeah, I would assume probably through this. I walked this yesterday.
Down to the camp?
Yeah, down to the camp.
Does it go all the way to the camp?
We'd have to go up one. Actually, if we went up this way, 100% easy. We're already on the hilltop. We just go straight down.
Okay.
Oh, you're still warm.
Man, this is so awesome. I'm so proud of you. Hold that rack up again. Oh, man.
You want to take a photo for me with my phone?
Yeah. Man, that's so awesome. Now the work begins. We're all loaded down with meat. Got a shoulder. Ready to head out? What do you think?
What do I think? I think this last 2 miles is going to feel good at the end of it.
Yeah, I had an awesome time.
It was fun. Thank you.
I really enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it. Up until we had to pack it out.
But hopefully we'll do it again soon.
No, we're going to do it again. Every year. Come back. Maybe not walk as much.
You better come back too.
You know, Devin's got to come back and get a bowl.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. This was an awesome trip. I had a really good time with Lunkers. If you're not already subscribed to his YouTube channel, you need to go subscribe to him. He has an awesome channel. I'll link him down in the description below. But thanks for watching. This hunt was really fun. We'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, I'm now home from my hunt with Lunkers. I was reviewing the footage and I realized when I made my outro that I forgot to mention to you guys that around March-ish, I'm going to be heading down on a trip with Lunkers to Texas to do some bass fishing during the spawn. hopefully break my personal best of 7.6. So stay tuned for those videos, guys. It's going to be an awesome time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.